completely, I was like, this is the route that I'm going down. I, became one of those lunatic farmers, and it just completely changed my life. And there's a lot of people that are like, "Why are you getting into farming?" And for me, I see the vision of it, and it's something that also in California, there's like Prop 13 and some of these things that are happening that are like increasing the space requirements. And I'm actually an advocate of having more space for your pigs, trying to create a good lifestyle for the pigs. It's something that I'm a big fan of. So there has been a lot of friction. It is a challenge. However, it's something that I'm going to continue to do. And I just want to get your input as far as if you're Joe Salatin, 28 years old, starting all over again, would you do farming again? And what's
Oh
your
my,
your
yeah,
insight on it?
that's an easy answer, for sure. And in fact, in many ways, I think that today is better than it's ever been, because with supply chain issues, fertilizer costs going through the roof, Ukraine wheat, Putin, and everything else is going on. In addition to COVID and HR requirements, what we're seeing is, well, I mean, I'll give you an example. Tyson raised their beef prices 32% in 12 months, and we only had to raise ours 10%. And so, because we're using local grains, we're processing locally. We don't have all the expensive whatever concrete fans and infrastructure, capital costs of the industry. And so we're a speedboat, and they're an aircraft carrier. And when you've got rocky shoals, because things are in disturbance in a economic sector.
If you guys like this video and wish to see more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or consider following us on Instagram at Flores Valley Farms. Thank you for watching.